of us needs to learn where the passing zones are. There aren't enough passing zones. Teeth are chattering. It's down to 60 degrees. 60 degrees in the middle of August. Just ruined somebody's day to come rolling up on a park ranger. this view. That's why you come to visit. Look at it, look at it, look at it. yes, there is a reason why I'm not passing a truck in front of us. It might not be a federal park ranger, but it is absolutely a federal truck with a federal employee in it. And it does have a radio. And I do not want him radioing ahead and have a park ranger waiting for me on the other side. So we'll just hang out. He's breaking the speed limit, so it's okay. It's all good. I have a feeling I know where he's going to pull off at, so it's not far. Look at that beta male and his chubby girlfriend. Two Democrats come up here to see the Smoky Mountains. We live in a different world. Just don't know why Democrats have to ruin everything they touch. Why aren't they educated enough to realize that socialism doesn't work? Watch the movie Idiocracy. Idiocracy is a great movie to show us how dumb we're going to be in the future. Sometimes it feels like we're there already. Look at that. Look at that view. Wow. Wow. This has to be one of the best mornings that I've ridden out here. Sky's clear. There's no fog up here at the top. Unfortunately, we didn't see any livestock. Wildlife. Livestock. Yeah, we saw 3 sheep, 2 cows, and a horse. One time I was up here and I saw elk grazing on the side of the mountain right next to the road.